Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our weekly grocery haul and our weekly meal plan. So everything that you see here was literally like $120. We bought a lot of stuff because, this whole virus thing, we just wanted to stock up so we can self-quarantine ourselves whenever we can. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below and let me know what y'all are doing in preparation of the virus. Are you quarantining? Are you stocking up on essential items? Let me know down below. So for our weekly meal plan, so Sunday we're going to have tacos because we didn't have it last week. Monday will be breakfast. Tuesday we have some turkey wings that we're going to bake with some veggies. Wednesday we're going to have red beans and rice in the crock pot. Thursday's leftovers. Friday's going to be spicy shrimp with pasta. And then Saturday is a free-for-all because I do have to work. Alright, every item is going to have a price. So if you have any questions, just let me know down below. Alright, so we got some strawberries. So this is a big pack and they look really good. So I got this. There wasn't any like regular bags of potatoes. So we got the steam in the bag. So it's baby reds. They were like $2, but we got 2 bags of those. We got 2 packs of the sweet corn, potato chips, original and sour cream. We got some ramen that we're going to have. So we got the big family pack. Jared got some Cheerios, my bad. Frosted Flakes for me. I got some cookies, the chunky chippers, which taste just like Chips Ahoy. We got 4 packs of the China doll, so there wasn't a big pack at Walmart, and so we just got 4 packs of these, making it like 4 pounds. So this is the ramen that we're going to have for tonight when you're watching this. This is the soy sauce flavor, and then this is the artificial flavor. I don't know how to say that, but this is what we're having. Got some sweet potatoes, bananas, got some apples, some Honeycrisp apples for Jared. I got a can of sweet peas that was on clearance. We needed some more sesame seed oil for our rice. Sriracha mayo. Jared wanted his energy drink. We needed some milk. Some whole style waffles. For meat, we got a thing of ground beef that we have not. A lot of people have been saying that they can't find any ground beef, but luckily we went early enough and we got a pack of ground beef. We got some butter. We got a thing of pork sausage. I found this in the freezer section. It's Asian style 7-spice dry rub. Now the picture does do it justice, but I don't know. I've never tried it. So we're probably going to have like fried rice or something with this, or we can have it with our ramen. So this looks really good and it's 1 pound. We got some bacon because I couldn't remember if we had one more pack of bacon from Sam's that we got a couple of weeks ago. I'm not sure. So we just stocked up. It was cheap anyways. And then for the non-essential items, we got flushable wipes. Now these and eggs, which I did not show y'all, and were only per person. So you can only get 1 thing of the flushable wipes, 1 of the eggs, and then 1 of the pack of waters, which we did get, but I'm not going to show y'all. And then also we got some cheese. And last but not least, we got some Alka-Seltzer cold and cough, because I have been having a cold. Well, not a cold, but just a cough. And Jared keeps saying I have coronavirus. But I don't. I know I don't. But anyways, I will see you guys later. I just wanted to make this video for you guys and let y'all know what I got to stock up for this virus, to quarantine yourself. But anyways, let me know how y'all are doing, and I will see you guys later. Bye.